Happy Sunday. I hope you're doing well. Today we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad. And unfortunately, I'm sure many of you like me opened your CVS app this morning and realized that you didn't have any new personalized CRTs. Super bummed that it only lasted for 2 weeks. Now I do have some theories. I think that CVS was probably testing out to see what the usage rate of those personalized CRTs would be for those 2 weeks. It could also be that they're going to only give them to us the first week of the sales ad. That's possible. Unsure. I don't have any insider CVS knowledge about what's going on. I didn't even know that it was going to happen before it did. I just feel like it was probably a test if they're giving it to us for 2 weeks and then taking it away, because if they were going to re-implement it, they would do it for at least like 6 months or at least a few months to test it out long term if it was like a permanent thing that they were launching. So it was probably just like a short test to see what the return rates were, what people were using them on, and they're probably going to make the decision whether or not to like permanently bring them back based on that data. So fingers crossed that we will eventually get them permanently back. Fingers crossed that we'll at least get them the first week of the CVS sales ad. We'll have to see next week. But I do still have some of them that I sent to card like mid last week, especially on the account that I'm using today to shop on. So the thing with that is, because they extended out, I believe 8 days from whenever you hit send to card, mine expire like either tomorrow or the next day or the following day, maybe on Wednesday on my account. So I can still use those CRTs from last week that I didn't use last week this week. So I am going to still be putting some of those CRTs that had a further off expiration date from Sunday in my video this week, including some of the same deals that I posted last week, and just work with whatever CRTs that you still have from last week that you extended, or maybe you got new ones, because I did hear on Instagram that at least one person in the comment section of somebody's video was saying they did get some on the account that they didn't use them on previously. So let me know in the comment section. Did you get them? Did you not on any of your accounts? I checked all 3 of my accounts, and a couple of them I wasn't even couponing on. I was mainly using my main account with those CRTs, and I didn't get new ones on any of my accounts. So let me know, because I'm very curious if anyone did get brand new personalized, not the basic regular ones that are like 6 off 25, 3 off 20 of whatever we used to be getting. I'm talking about $1 off one item, high value CRTs, different CRTs that. And also make sure it's not a new account, because make sure if you're saying that you got your CRTs, let me know if it's an account that previously had the same CRTs, not a new account that was already getting good CRTs, because that does not count. Anyways, I'm excited because this week I am going to be doing a rolling extra care book video. I don't have anyone to film with me, so it's not going to be that style, but I'm going to be filming and then filming an intro tomorrow. So I'm hoping to get that rolling extra care book video up tomorrow, but you'll see my receipts and what I do in this video at the end of the video when I go over the receipt breakdown. Speaking of receipts, one last favor to ask you guys. I am super excited because I actually got chosen to be one of 5 creators that are featured inside the Fetch app in their creator storefronts that they just launched. It looks like this. If you open your Fetch app and you like scroll down just a little bit on the home screen, you'll see either me or you'll see like creator storefronts with 5 people. I'm one of them. I'm in the middle there. They emailed me and asked me if I wanted to create a storefront with them. So of course I said absolutely. And basically what that is it's not like selling anything. It's a storefront page where I have all of my favorite Fetch offers, and that you can select them and click them and scroll through what I hand selected. And on there, I did select some really high value point offers that are my personal favorites. For example, you get 100% of your points back on Degree dry sprays at CVS. I tagged that one in my storefront. Also, you get like $3 back, 3,000 points back when you buy $3 worth of Poppy at Target. So again, 100% of your point value back of what you're spending. So it's basically free because you're getting all of your points back. So check out my storefront. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I also did post like intro videos to my Fetch storefront on my TikTok and my Instagram pages. So if you have a second and you want to support me in a way that's completely free, on your TikTok or Instagram, search up my page, kaylakoupons, the same way that my channel is spelt, and give a like and a comment on those 2 Fetch creator storefront videos. That'll help me out a lot. It shows Fetch that my audience cares that I have a storefront. So if you can do that, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely thank you. But again, my Fetch storefront, I'll link it in the description box down below so you guys can check it out, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section of my TikTok and Instagram videos introducing my storefront. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. I'm going to go over the new stuff at the beginning of the video and the repeat stuff at the end of the video. I wanted to let you know to look out for this Neutrogena Collagen Bank Moisturizer clearance. At my store, it's 90% off for just $2.59, and we do have a 5 off 1 coupon. So grabbing 2, that would take off $5, making your final cost just 9 cents each or 18 cents for both. L'Oreal Facial Care is buy one, get back a $5 extra buck on the more expensive items, and the cheapest option is this eye cream at $15.69. You can use a $5 digital coupon, you pay $10.69, get back your $5 extra buck, making it just $5.69. But I know that we've been getting L'Oreal Facial Care CRTs. Like last week, I know I got like a 30% off of one item, so if you still have one of those, use it and it'll make it even cheaper. Okay, if you are loyal to Native, this is your week to pick it up. The cheapest option for this deal is grabbing the body scrubs at $10.79. They're buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck. 3 would total $32.37, and we do have a 10 off 3 digital coupon. So using that, you pay $22.37, get back your $7 extra buck, and that'd make 3 of them just $15.37. You can also grab the body wash that are a little bit more expensive and check if you have any body wash CRTs to pair with it. The more expensive Crest toothpaste, like the gum and the Brilliance, are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck, and they're on sale for $8.99 each. So grab one of the gum and one of the whitening Brilliance, totaling $17.98, and you can use a $5 digital coupon that we have for the Brilliance and a $5 for the gum. You'd end up paying $7.98, get back your $4 extra buck, making 2 of them $3.98 or $1.99 each. And if you have any Crest CRTs or any toothpaste CRTs, use those to make it a better deal. Okay, next we have a deal on CoverGirl Cosmetics, buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck. So the cheapest option that I found is grabbing one of the twin brow pencils at $6.29 and one of the lip balms at $6.79. Those two would total $13.08. You can use a $4 CoverGirl CRT and then a $2 off eye digital coupon that attaches to the twin brow pencil and a $3 off that we just got this week on April 12th that attaches to the lip balm. So you'd be left to pay $4.08, getting back the $6 extra buck, makes this a $1.92 moneymaker. $1.92 moneymaker. Super duper easy. Everyone should have all these coupons, and that's a great moneymaker to apply to the other items that you're grabbing. Heads up that LA Girl is spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, and I know last week I got a $2 CRT that's still valid. So if you are brand loyal, definitely do that deal this week. The 25 count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes are buy 2, get back a $6 extra buck at $6.99 at my store. So grabbing 2, you can use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you'd pay $9.98, get back that $6 extra buck. And that would make 2 packs just $3.98 or $1.99 each. And check if you have any additional CRTs because I did see that some people do. Nivea lotion are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the smaller bottles at $6.79. 2 would total $13.58 and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $10.58, getting back the $7 extra buck would make 2 bottles just $3.58. Garnier Fructis are on sale for 2 for $8 and buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing 2 and using a 3 off 2 digital coupon, you'd pay $5, get back that $3 in extra bucks would make your final cost just $2 for 2 or $1 each. Gillette and Venus disposable razors are buy 1, get 1 50% off and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So I'm grabbing 1 Venus and 1 Gillette, each at $8.59, totaling $12.88. I'm going to use a 2 off 6 Venus CRT and a $3 digital coupon for the Venus and a $3 for the Gillette. And I should be left to pay $4.88, getting back my $4 extra buck. Makes both of them just 88 cents. And a little tip, if you want the 50% off to apply to a certain item, like for me this week, I wanted it to apply to the Gillette because I have that 2 off 6 CRT for the Venus. Whatever one you want to be 50% off, scan that one first. I, at checkout, first tried to scan the Venus first, thinking it would take the 50% off the second scanned item, and it took it off the Venus. Then I swapped it around, scanned the Gillette first, and the 50% came off of the Gillette. Instead of the razors, you can also grab the Gillette Foamy Shave Cream. My store's sold out, but they're $3.79. Again, buy 1, get 1 50% off, so 2 would total $5.68. You'd pay that, earn back your $4 extra buck for buying 2, would make your final cost for both shave creams just $1.68. The Crest toothpaste as well as Oral-B toothbrushes are $3.99 each on sale. Buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. So grab 3, totaling $11.97, and use a 2 off 10 Crest CRT. My account got that this week, and we also have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $4.97. Earning back the $5 extra buck would make all 3 completely free. Again this week, the Axe deodorant and body sprays are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of the deodorants. They are not marked in my store and they're not showing online as participating in this deal, but I scanned them at the red box and they are showing buy one, get one 40% off, or buy one, get one 50% off, I mean. And they did give back the $4 extra buck. So grabbing two of those totals $10.48. I have a $1 CRT on deodorant that's still good through when I was purchasing it this week on Sunday, and I still have my 5 off 2 digital on this account. So I'm going to be left to pay $4.48, getting back that $4 extra buck makes both of them 48 cents. Neutrogena Cosmetics are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck, so I'm grabbing two of the 21 count wipes in the makeup section at $6.59 each, totaling $13.18, and I do have a $1 CRT for Neutrogena makeup and a $3 digital coupon. So with those, I should be left to pay $9.18, getting back the $5 extra buck is going to make 2 packs of wipes just $4.18, or $2.09 each. The 11 count finish tabs are buy one, get one free, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grabbing two totaling $9.99, we have a $3 digital coupon. So you'd be left to pay $6.99, getting back the $3 extra buck makes 2 packs $3.99. We no longer have our dollar digital coupon for the Lysol wipes, but the big packs are still buy one, get one free, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you'd pay $10.99 for two, grabbing the dual action, get back your $3 extra buck. That would make two of them $7.99. Gain products, the big packs are $9.99 each on sale, and spend $30, get back a $10 extra buck. So grabbing one of the detergent, one of the Gain Flings, and one of the scent beads, totaling $29.97. We do have a $2 digital for the Gain liquid, a $2 for the pods, and a $2 for the flings, or for the scent beads, I mean. We have $2 digitals for like almost every single big Gain product. So you'd be left to pay $23.97, earning back the $10 extra buck, would make all three big Gain products just $13.97. For my first transaction this week, I did the CoverGirl and the Gillette and the Venus. All the coupons I mentioned came off. I used no extra bucks to pay, paid out $8.96 out of pocket, and then got back my $10 in extra bucks, the 6 for the CoverGirl and the 4 for the Gillette and Venus, making this transaction a $1 moneymaker. I rolled that $10 in extra bucks into this transaction with the Garnier and the Axe. So paid out $10 in extra bucks and then got back $7 in extra bucks. It was 3 for the Garnier and 4 for the Axe, making this transaction a net cost of $3. I rolled that $7 in extra bucks into the Neutrogena 21 count makeup remover wipes deal, and I paid $1.58 after extra bucks out of pocket. So in total, I spent $8.58 out of pocket, got back $5 in extra bucks, a net cost of $3.58. And then finally, I did the Maybelline deal. So I grabbed a liner, didn't do the extra care book deal, used $5 in coupons and that $5 in extra bucks, paid nothing, net cost of $5. All right, and I wanted to show you guys also that I did 3 transactions with the clearance Neutrogena Collagen Bang moisturizers. My store only had the ones without SPF on clearance, 90% off, so $2.59. And then I used that 5 off 1 digital coupon that was working on clearance items, and so as long as you grab 2 totaling at least $5, it will come off. Paid 18 cents. That's insane. That's amazing for over $25 moisturizers. I'm super excited to use these. I'm gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, I'm probably going to donate the rest, give some to family and friends, and maybe resell a few of them on Whatnot. I do go live on Whatnot every once in a while, and I just show the products and people bid on them, and that's how I've been selling it. It's way faster and just takes me like one night every 6 months rather than listing everything on eBay and waiting and barely making any profit. I did put Whatnot, the link to Whatnot, in the description box down below because I think you guys get like a $10 shopping credit when you sign up, and I think you get like $100 or $150 selling bonus if you sign up through that link. So if you are interested, that link is in the description box down below. I'll also put it in the pinned comment. But for these, this is like my favorite thing to resell because it's like a high priced item normally that people become brand loyal to, and like if someone tries this and they love it, then once it gets discontinued, like what's happening right now, they're willing to actually pay more money to get it than what it normally retailed for since they can't find it anymore. So this is amazing. I actually ended up picking up 6 of them. I did 2 of them on each of my 3 accounts. So yeah, amazing deal. Let me know if you guys are able to find these at your store, if they're also 90% off on clearance, because that's an amazing deal. I think they only came out like a year ago, so it's not like they're old or anything. They're only launched about a year ago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment. Check out my Fetch storefront with the link in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. And I will catch you guys next week on Sunday for a new 2-week CVS sales ad.